Hello friends and welcome back to another lesson. Today I will teach you how to use uma, uns, umas, which are indefinite articles in Brazilian Portuguese. So let's get started. Masculine, singular. Uma, feminine, singular. Uns, masculine, plural. Umas, feminine, plural. Very good. Now we're going to take a look at a few examples. It's very important that you repeat after me what you hear, because this way you practice your pronunciation and also your rhythm for speaking. So, let's get started with our first example. Policial esteve aqui procurando por você. That means a police officer has been here or was here searching or looking for you. Policial is a masculine noun, so that's why we say policial. Now repeat after me. Policial. Again, policial. It's not it's So, let's say the whole sentence. Policial esteve aqui procurando por você. Very good. Now we're going to say it a little faster. Repeat. Policial esteve aqui procurando por você. Really good. There's a technique that I use to teach my students when you have difficulty saying the whole sentence. What you can do is this. Repeat after me. Policial. Policial esteve. Policial esteve aqui. Policial esteve aqui procurando. Policial esteve aqui procurando por. Policial esteve aqui procurando por você. So, when you say it piece by piece and adding the next piece until you get to the whole sentence, that makes it easier for you to pronounce everything. So, next one. Ele ficou em hotel na frente da praia. Now, he stayed at a hotel in front of the beach. A hotel is a masculine word. That's why we say hotel. Now, repeat after me. Ele ficou em hotel na frente da praia. Good. Now let's do a little faster, and then after that we're going to do piece by piece. So, ele ficou em hotel na frente da praia. Good. Now let's do piece by piece. Listen and repeat each word and piece I say. Ele. Ele ficou. Ele ficou em. Ele ficou em Ele ficou em hotel. Ele ficou em hotel na. Ele ficou em hotel na frente. Ele ficou em hotel na frente da. Ele ficou em hotel na frente da praia. Very good. Now, another one. Aqui está uma piada para você. That means, here's a joke for you. So now, repeat after me. Aqui está uma piada para você. Good. Now, we're gonna say piece by piece. Now, piada, joke, is a feminine noun in Brazil. That's why we say uma piada. Let's do it again. Aqui. Aqui está. Aqui está uma. Aqui está uma piada. Aqui está uma piada para você. Good. Next one. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para a festa. That means she invited some strange friends to the party. Now, friends are a masculine word when we say amigos, right? Because in English, you only have one word, friends. Now, in Portuguese, if you're talking about girlfriends, like friends that are girls, you say amigas, or a friend, only one is amiga. Now, a friend who is a man, amigo. More than one, amigos. Now, we are gonna say, ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para festa. Good. Now, let's say it a little faster. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para festa. Good. Now, let's do piece by piece, as we did before. Ela convidou. Ela convidou uns. Ela convidou uns amigos. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para a. Ela convidou uns amigos estranhos para a festa. Nice. And now, the last one. Elas me contaram umas coisas bem estranhas sobre você. That means they told me some things really strange or weird about you. Now, eles me contaram, I don't know if I said eles ou elas, but anyway, eles me contaram. They told me. Umas coisas, some things. Now, coisa is a feminine noun in Portuguese. That's why we use uma coisa, singular, umas coisas, plural. So, umas coisas bem estranhas, very weird or really strange sobre você, about you. Now, try to repeat the whole sentence with me. Eles me contaram umas coisas bem estranhas sobre você. Now let's do piece by piece. Eles me contaram. Eles me contaram umas. Eles me contaram umas coisas. Eles me contaram umas coisas bem. Eles me contaram umas coisas bem estranhas. Eles me contaram umas coisas bem estranhas sobre. Eles me contaram umas coisas bem estranhas sobre você. Really? Well, you did. I know you have repeated everything with me. And also, go back and rewatch this lesson and repeat all the sentences we did. This way, like I said before, you're going to gain more confidence when you try to speak Portuguese, and you will practice the muscles in your face so you can pronounce this language in a natural way. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this exercises we practiced here today. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.